Good morning, dear cadets. So, your chapter number 6 is over. Now, what is left? NCERT exercise is left. Okay. So, today I am going to complete the NCERT exercises. Okay. So, what is the first question? First question is classify the changes involved in the following processes as physical or chemical changes. So, just try to understand. Means they have given the some processes, you have to classify them as a physical and chemical change. So the first one is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is chemical change. Here only I wrote the answer. Dissolving sugar in water, that is physical change. Burning of coal, that is chemical change. Melting of wax, that is physical change. Beating aluminium to make aluminium foil, physical change. Digestion of food, chemical change. So just see all these examples I have covered while explaining the chapter. Okay. So I hope that question number first answer very easily you can write. Now question number 2 answer I will show you in the extra marks. Now just see the question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is fill in the blanks in the following statements. That is related with the fill in the blanks. The first one is when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Second one is the chemical name of baking soda. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are, any two methods you can write, painting and alloying, or you can write here galvanization also. Any two methods you can write. Now, next one is changes in which only dash properties. Okay. So D, let me write the D. D I have not written here. Just a minute. D I am writing here. D physical. What is that one? Physical. And E is chemical change. What is the D? D is changes in which only dash properties of a substance change are called physical change. This is physical property. In D you have to write changes in which only physical properties of the substance change. Okay. So physical word. D is changes in which new substances are formed are called chemical changes. What is this one? Chemical changes. Okay. Any problem? No problem. Okay. Now for rest of the question I will take the help of extra marks. Okay. Okay. So let us move to the some another questions. Okay. So just see the question number 1 is this one. Now question number 2. So question number 2 is related with true and false. First see the question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. In case a statement is false, write the correct statement. Okay. So just see, we'll show you the answers. Okay. Okay, the first one is, let me check. Just see. In case a statement is false, write the correct statement in your notebook. Cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. No, it is a physical change. Formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. No, it is a chemical change. Iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. Yes, it is true. Okay. So answer is written here. Cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. Okay. Correct statement: cutting off log of wood into pieces is a physical change. Formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. Correct statement is formation of manure from leaves is a chemical change. Iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. Do not get rusted easily. Okay. So correct statement is also given. That is true only. So there is no need of correct statement. Okay. Now D1. Just a minute. D. Iron and rust are the same substance. False. Iron and rust are the different substance. Okay. Now E. Okay. Condensation of steam is not a chemical chain. Yes, it is true. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Already I told you. Okay. Now when question number 4, if you want to see the question number 3 answer, so when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are painting and galvanization. Changes in which only the physical property of substance changes. So already answer I told. Okay, just see the answer. Changes in which new substance are formed are called chemical changes. Okay. So this is, now I am hiding this one. Next one. When baking soda is mixed with a lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of gas. What type of changes is it? Explain. When baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate is mixed with lemon juice, citric acid, bubbles are produced due to the formation of carbon dioxide and other substances. It is a chemical change, therefore we cannot get back the original substances, lemon juice and baking soda. Okay. So I hope that you got the answer. When baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of gas. What type of changes it? Explain. When baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate is mixed with lemon juice, citric acid, bubbles are produced due to the formation of carbon dioxide and other substances. It is a chemical change, therefore we cannot get back the original substance, lemon juice and baking soda. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes take place. Identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both the chemical and physical changes takes place. Okay. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes takes place. Identify these changes. Give another example of familiar process in which both the chemical and physical changes takes place. Okay. Already I explained, when a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes takes place. When we burn a candle, the wax melt which can be converted back. Just a minute. Okay. Burning of candle also produces light along with some gases like carbon dioxide. Hence, burning of a wick of a candle is a chemical change. Cooking food is another example in which both the physical and chemical changes take place. Physical changes, appearance of ingredients. Chemical change, new substance are formed. So just see, cooking of food is also an example of physical and chemical changes. How? So when food is cooked, so shape and size of the substance is also changed. Like just see, rice means without cooked rice, that is hard, it is solid. But after cooking, just see, what is there? That become semi-solid. Okay, and a chemical change is also there because new substance is formed and physical form is also changed. So cooking of food is an example of physical and chemical change. If you are having any problem, you can write the growth of humans. Growth of humans. Okay, that is also an example of physical and chemical changes. How would you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? Setting of curd is a type of, just a minute. Setting of curd is a type of chemical change as new substance is formed which has different properties from milk. Once curd is formed, milk cannot be re-obtained from it. Okay, so setting of curd is an example of chemical change because once the milk is set into curd, okay, so original substance cannot be brought back. Okay, so the setting of curd is an example of chemical change. Next one is, next question number 7. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different types of changes. Okay, just see here. Cutting of wood into small pieces is a physical change because no new substance is formed and only the shape and size of wood changes. When we burn wood, carbon dioxide along with some other new substances is formed. Therefore, burning of wood is a type of chemical change. Therefore, burning of wood is a type of chemical change. Okay. So, just see, cutting of wood into pieces, that is cutting of wood into pieces, that is physical change, but burning of wood is an example of chemical change. So, today you just write 7 questions, that is enough for you. Tomorrow remaining questions I will teach you. Otherwise, it would be a long process to you to complete the things. Okay. These many questions are enough. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to write one more question further, you can write. Okay. But I hope that up to question number 7 only you complete. Remaining questions tomorrow I will complete. Okay. So, I hope that these things you will complete perfectly. Okay. In addition to this one, that your monthly test syllabus already I have posted. Today I will give you the blueprint of question paper. So, accordingly you prepare, take monthly test seriously, and moreover to this, Cadet Spurti has made very good video, and one more cadet has made the video. Some cadets, instead of using balloon, they have used the polythene. That is not good. You purchase balloon and then do the experiment. Okay, performing experiment, that is the essence of science, but you should perform by collecting all those required material. Okay, so please don't use polythene, instead you use balloon. Okay, one thing. Second one thing, whatever experiment is possible at your home, please try hard to complete, try hard to perform those experiment. And now in your respective section WhatsApp group you can post, so that other can also see, other can also do, other can also be motivated. Okay, Spurti has made a splendid experiment. Okay, there is no question mark over that experiment. I hope that other will also do. Thank you.